right, let's keep it with earnings then. And Brigade Enterprises has posted a muted quarter owing to a tough market and liquidity condition. The liquidity crisis that roiled NBFCs and housing finance companies almost broke the back of real estate sector. The company, however, managed to post more than 60% jump in the revenue. How does the demand scenario look like in FY20? Let's find out from Mr. Jaishankar, the chairman and MD at Brigade Enterprises. Mr. Jaishankar, thanks very much for joining in. Let's start off first, with the overall pre-sales number for FY19 that you are targeting at 3 million square feet. Up until now, for the 9 months of FY19, you've clocked in about 2 million square feet. That leaves a gap of 1 million that you need to achieve in the next quarter. Considering your run rate has been about 0.78 to 0.8 million square feet, is it a slight bit of a stretch to ask from quarter 4, or you think it's achievable?
We are, I think, good morning. Our team is working hard to achieve it. We are hopeful of achieving. I think the next 6 weeks will tell. Overall, it may mean a sales volume of somewhere in the range of 1,700 to 1,800 crores for the 12 months period.
Okay. To achieve this target that you have placed for yourselves in terms of pre-sales, are you looking at any further new launches?
Yeah, see, we are just launching a large project, about 2.5 million square feet project called Brigade Cornerstone Utopia in Whitefield, Sarjapur Road area. So where we are beginning to clock good sales, and I think that should add to the overall numbers significantly.
Which would lead to an increase in construction spend for you in the upcoming quarter, or no? And how much would that be increased by?
The work has just started. Yeah, I think once we launch another 2.5 million square feet, naturally over the period of next couple of quarters, the construction spend is definitely expected to go up. And also, we are hoping to clock much better numbers in FY20, though it may be premature to give any guidance, but we are hoping and fairly confident of achieving better numbers.
You've already spoken about a 25 to 30% volume growth in FY20. Could you highlight for us what that will come on the back of? What do you expect to contribute towards that 30% volume uptick number?
So it is primarily because in the last few months we have launched new in FY19, we have launched about 5 million square feet so far, and in the process of launching additional projects. We also have an affordable housing project to be launched near the Bangalore airport. That should happen in maybe Q1 FY20, sorry.
Just comment a little bit on the overall market condition at this point and the inventory build-up that remains with you. Are you finding takers in the current market scenario?
See, inventory build-up, yes, it is there, but I think in the last 2 years particularly, I can confidently say the overall stock of completed units is coming down in Bangalore, and for that matter in many other cities, metro cities. The overhang of I would say 2016-17 is also gradually coming down, and probably in by FY20 in another 12 months time it should be much better scenario should emerge. Right now the primary, I would say, the uncertainty is that of elections, and once the elections are over and a stable government comes in, there will be much more stability in the market and confidence building in the market, which is what is needed now. See, there is an inherent demand, but I think it is a negativity and the negative sentiments that people hear in the media is what is making the consumer to postpone decision in quite a few cases.
Okay, let's talk a little bit more about the progress of the Annuity projects at Tech Gardens and WTC Chennai. Are they on track for completion? And
Yeah, they are fully, they're fully on track. And in case of Brigade Tech Garden, we have completed the first phase of 1.1 million square feet ahead of schedule by nearly 7 months. And the remaining 2 million square feet should get completed within before the sunset clause gets over by March 2020. And whereas the World Trade Center Chennai is also in the right track, we are working hard to complete it before the sunset clause. The on leasing, we have done some leasing, but it is and many more is expected to happen in the next, I would say, 4 to 6 months time. I think overall, the scenario is fairly bright, and I think we are confident the leasing should happen quite well.
so what would the target for pre-leasing be in terms of million square feet in the overall portfolio for FY20?
We expect to add about 2 million square feet in the next 14 to 15 months.
And I'm sorry if I missed and if you had already highlighted it earlier, for FY20, what would the overall, the million square feet that you're looking to add for the entire be? You're looking at 3 million?
I said we are working towards adding about 2 million square feet in FY20.
That's for the entire year?
Yeah, for the entire year.
But you already are targeting 3 million for FY19, so that's a drop in FY20?
No, that is adding, I said, 2 million square feet. 3 million square feet, I don't think we have committed, including what is already existing.
Okay, no, what I wanted to know was the total million square feet that you're looking to add for FY20. Is that, if you have that number?
I can't hear very clearly. I think your voice is feeble.
Okay, I was asking you if you have a number to give me with regards to the total addition for FY20, like you had for 3 million in FY19 that you look to add. For FY20, what that number would be?
No, FY20, we said we will be adding about 2 million. FY19, I don't think we have indicated we are going to add 3 million square feet.
All right. No,
so
I was
3
just...
million square feet is residential.
Right, right.
That is a residential number.
Yeah, so
not the leasing number.
No, so I was asking for the residential because leasing you just alluded to it. I was asking for the residential side.
Yeah. Residential on the basis of what we have indicated about 25 to 30% growth, it will mean about 4 million square feet.
Okay, got that. Just let's talk a little bit more about the hospitality stake sale and what exactly are you evaluating in terms of the bids and potential partners that you're looking at?
See, we are in the process of interacting with, I would say, prospective investors. It is premature for me to indicate. Discussions are on, but nothing is concluded as yet. We have engaged Kotak Securities to find us the PE investor. I'm also happy to say recently our 218 key Hotel 4 Points by Sheraton in Kochi has become operational. In fact, as recently as 5 days back, the hotel was inaugurated by the Chief Minister of Kerala. And with this, our total operational keys have reached about 1,200. And currently, we have 450 keys are under construction in Gift City, Ahmedabad, in Bangalore, and in Mysore. I'm expecting to complete about 300 keys in FY20, and in the subsequent year, FY21, maybe another 300 keys should be added.
All right. So that would improve the hospitality revenue come FY20 by how much?
FY20, I think at about 250 crores it should reach.
All right. Got that. Thank you so very much for joining in, sir. Appreciate your time. And that's the management at Brigade Enterprises talking about the overall business and how Q3 shaped up on various counts for them, on the real estate side, on the hospitality side, and what they are looking to do in FY20.